Hey guys, and today I'm going to show you the installation for the more player models. What we want to do, if you have Forge ready and you have the mods folder ready, then you don't need to install it anymore. But if you don't, just pause this video and watch my other video on how to get the Forge. So what you want to do is go to the description and click on the link. And then you scroll down, show you this, then you go where it says download. You click the first one. You wait until the 5 seconds take off. You skip ad. You save it. It'll be right there. So what you want to do is go to your Windows and put run. And here it'll show you %app data. And then you just go here. You go to your .minecraft. I repeat, you have to have your mods folder here, and you have to run the Forge. So all you have to do is just show containing folder for the download, and then let me just delete this, and you'll see how it works. You go here, so I'll show you to this. Let me click X on this. I need to do it again. Show containing folder once again, and you move it here, and then you just press X on this, X on everything. You go to your Minecraft. Your Minecraft. Wait until it loads. So here is gonna. So you just click on your profile and find Forge, and then I'll show you this. Or if you're using the wrong type of Forge, all you have to do is go here and just go straight down, and you'll see that. If this is for future 1.7 or 1.7.2, it'll still work unless the mod is updated. The resource pack I'm using is pure BDcraft. You can find it in bdcraft.net. My Minecraft sucks. I'll pause the video and see if it works. And I'm back. So, and then this will go. You go here, you go down, and you'll see that it will say this. Then that means the mod is working. You go to your single player. It works for multiplayer, but other players can't see you as it. And you'll see the left bottom corner. You'll see that it says more player models installed. For info, you just go to that website. So if you don't know what to do next, just go to my other video, and it'll just tell you what to do. Like, I'm only gonna tell you to press F6 to change your thing. So that's it. That's it for now. I'll show more installation videos and more mod showcases with the installation videos. Well, bye guys.